back at the shop after testing. Unfortunately, Fury is here with the hood off and had to take the transmission out. Had something go wrong out testing. That's why we go. And yeah, the truck was out a couple days ago. My dad and Derek driving it, and then I got in it to do just a quick couple mile shakedown, and transmission let go. So we're quick scramble Monday afternoon, transmission rebuild, get it back, and put it back in the truck tomorrow. Head up qualifying on Wednesday, pre-run on Thursday, tech contingency on Friday, race on Saturday. So you can tell, gonna be a long week. Just got longer, but here we are. Story of Fury. Just got the pre-runner loaded up. Now it's time to continue loading chase trucks. Got fuel to load for two race cars and pre-runner, so more stuff. Got the transmission back from Rancho. Nothing wrong with it, but better safe than sorry. So we time to get it installed. It's 5 o'clock on Tuesday. Qualifying tomorrow morning. So long night, early morning. Just getting all the family time in we can. Let's see. He said, Derek, hey. It won't go. It don't go. Oh, it don't go.
Yeah, you're a buggy dork too, I know.
Justin? Oh, cramp in my hand.
I got so much grease in my hair.
Okay, then let's pull the jack back.
I'm gonna wash the WD first.
So transmission just went in the truck. Derek's getting it buttoned up. About 45 minutes or so. We hopefully will have it loaded on the trailer and heading down the road. Yeah, everything's going smooth and looking forward to qualifying tomorrow. Truck's loaded, and gonna be a late night. We still got four and a half, 5 hour drive, but at least we're staying at South Point Hotel and Casino. One of my favorite places in Las Vegas for sure. So here we go. Let's start the drive.